Ever felt amazing after a sugary treat, only to hit a wall an hour later, feeling sluggish and unfocused? That roller coaster is incredibly common, and it's not just in your head. Today, we're diving into the science behind the sugar crash, uncovering exactly why that quick energy burst inevitably leads to a significant dip, leaving you drained. Understanding this can help manage your energy better. It all begins when sugar hits your system. Refined sugars quickly break down into glucose, flooding your bloodstream rapidly. Your pancreas, sensing this sudden surge, releases a hefty dose of insulin. Think of insulin as the key unlocking cells for glucose energy. The faster the spike, the bigger the insulin response. With abundant insulin, your body becomes incredibly efficient at clearing glucose from the blood. Often, it's *2 efficient. This overcompensation leads to a rapid drop in blood sugar, sometimes even lower than before. This state, reactive hypoglycemia, is the primary culprit behind your energy crash, causing fatigue, irritability, or cravings. Your body might even release stress hormones like adrenaline to counteract this low blood sugar, leaving you jittery. This constant up and down isn't just tiring. Consistent high sugar intake can contribute to insulin resistance over time. Prioritizing complex carbs and protein helps stabilize blood sugar. So, the sugar crash isn't a myth, it's your body reacting to a rapid glucose influx and subsequent clearance. To avoid it, focus on balanced meals with fiber, protein, and healthy fats for sustained energy. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, share your experiences below, and subscribe for more health insight.